VOXCAR gets smarter about your car every time you add a service record, upload an invoice, or log a repair. Without that, we only know what your car is, not what it's been through. Snap a picture of any record to have VOXCAR automatically upload and pass parts and labour costs. Click on your classic car to access its dedicated dashboard. Head to the AI chat tab. Start a new conversation with CarBuddy AI for personalised assistance. Start your chat to instantly receive tailored advice. Pose as many questions as you like. Select a conversation thread to quickly revisit important discussions. There you have it. VOXCAR turns every collector into a better caretaker, one conversation at a time.